Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the text editor widget in Elementor. This is one of the most fundamental tools you'll use when building pages in WordPress, allowing you to add and format written content with ease. Let's jump right in. First, go to your WordPress website and log in to the admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site. Once you're logged in, click on Pages in the WordPress dashboard menu. Here you'll see all your existing pages. Select the page you want to edit by clicking on it, or if you're starting fresh, click Add Page to create a new one. On the page editor screen, you'll notice a button labeled Edit with Elementor. Click this button to open the Elementor editor, which is the visual page builder that makes designing your site incredibly intuitive and straightforward. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look for the plus button. This allows you to add a new section to your page. Click it to create a fresh section, or if you already have a section in place, you can simply select an existing one where you want to add your content. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the Widgets panel. Scroll down until you locate the text editor widget, which is listed under the basic widgets section. This widget is your go-to tool for adding and customizing text content on any page. Click and drag the text editor widget into the desired section or column in your page layout. You'll see it drop into place, ready for you to start adding your content. In the left panel, under the Content tab, you'll see a text editor box. This is where you can type or paste your text directly. Whether you're adding a paragraph, a heading, or a full article, this box gives you complete control over what appears on your page. Above the text box, you'll notice a toolbar with various formatting options. Use these tools to format your text with options like bold, italic, lists, alignment, and link insertion. This makes it easy to style your content exactly how you want it without needing to write any code. And there you have it. You've successfully added and formatted text using the text editor widget in Elementor, giving you full control over your page content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.